Hey guys, I'm Dax and today we are going to talk about the Chase 524 rule and we're starting right now. So what is the Chase 524 rule? The Chase 524 rule basically means that if you've opened up 5 cards over the past 24 months, you will not be eligible to get approved for a Chase card. So let's just say you've applied for 5 cards over the past 24 months. For example, you applied for a Wells Fargo card, a Best Buy card, a Sears card, a Lowe's card, Bank of America card, any 5 personal cards over the past 24 months, you will not be approved with a Chase card. So let me tell you my story. A few years ago when I started with this amazing hobby, I did a dumb mistake, and I applied for a bunch of random cards. Talking about the Chase 524 rule, so I got approved for at least 10 cards from what I can remember. Then if you apply that for the Chase 524 rule, so I applied for and got approved for 10 cards over the past 24 months. So my status with Chase is 1024. So what that means is I am not eligible for a Chase card and I need to wait 24 months to be eligible again because of this certain rule. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is when you are starting out with this hobby, I want you to focus on getting the Chase card first. Make sure to use your 5 slots and get the best Chase cards before moving on to American Express, Citi, Capital One, etc. There are some exceptions on this rule. I will talk more about this in the future, but to give you guys an idea, so business cards doesn't count towards your 524 status except for Capital One, Discover, and TD Bank. So I will have a future video explaining more about business cards and why they're amazing, so make sure to stay tuned. So to summarize again, when you're starting out, make sure to focus on the best Chase cards first before moving to other banks like American Express, Citi, and Capital One. So that's it for today's video. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below and make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.